Experience the breathtaking beauty of ocean view land for sale in the mountains of Miramar, Costa Rica, near Puntarenas. This amazing property is just 20 minutes from Route Number 1 and 40 minutes from Caldera Port, making it an ideal location for low-impact development, with access to water and electricity. This one-of-a-kind property boasts an elevation of 2,300 feet, offering sweeping panoramic views of the ocean and surrounding mountains. Whether you're looking to build your dream home, develop a tranquil retreat, or invest in a piece of paradise, this land offers endless possibilities. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of this stunning landscape, where you can indulge in the tranquility and beauty of Costa Rica's natural surroundings. With its good access and unrivaled views, this ocean view land is a rare find that won't last long. Take the opportunity to secure your own slice of paradise and create your own version of Costa Rican paradise.